Chief Minister Khemchand stated that government schools in the state have improved significantly over the past 5 years. He made these remarks during the inauguration of a new library building at Hairangoi High School located in the Singjamay Assembly constituency. The event was also attended by the Director of Education S.N.G. Bhogendra Mitay, the school principal and members of the School Development Committee. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand highlighted the improvement of government schools as a major step toward the state's progress. Citing Jingamaka High School as an example of successful transformation under his tenure, Khemchand noted that its student enrollment grew from fewer than 20 to over 200. He added that many first divisioners with letter marks were also produced by the school in the HSLC examinations. He further claimed that Hairangoi High School has seen similar success, with student enrollment now crossing 100, while crediting this achievement to the joint efforts of teachers, the School Development Committee and local guardians working under government initiatives. The Chief Minister also reaffirmed the government's commitment to upgrading government school infrastructure, expressing confidence that these changes will encourage more parents and guardians to send their children to government schools. After the event, he inspected the ongoing construction work at Jingamaka High School.
Sada chama yankai muksure isi masi sarkar ki policy duga ojama yang bi madi lekai koi committee duga adu apun madu coordination aduna aina thamjani isi wall siba ya mau da re koi boge ni bani phaminaraga wall sitri hana to khajan se na oi awat awat pangakni isam samna school ki infrastructure to kira nalap lekragadi karba ibungi agang school to thaning duna ai do jiti adaina thamjani se Manipur abugi yengadobina sinjabai da su yingbe ya da barina khap ka ba ko tappada walo binu aduga sai ahlaman sing sida pani dangoi me ma tabi ko yam tola unaba phangde na walo ko to gi rum waram di sai yamna nungai ai baba matam da semba sarkar na tabina